Did you know there's a free tool that you can use to improve your pronunciation? Let me show you how to use Google for this purpose. Go to google.com and type the word pronounce, followed by any challenging word you'd like to learn. Now click on the mouth or the speaker icon to hear the pronunciation of the word.
Receipt.
To listen to the British pronunciation, change the accent from the drop-down menu above the mouth.
Receipt.
Another useful feature is the slow button. You can listen to the same word at a slower pace by switching it on.
Receipt.
Now it's your turn to practice your pronunciation. All you have to do is push the practice button and say the word loud and clear. Receipt. If your pronunciation is wrong, you'll see the mistaken part highlighted. And to read more about how to improve, click on the arrow down. Now let's pronounce the word correctly this time and see what happens.
Receipt.
Receipt. I hope you found the free tool I introduced today useful. Happy learning!